reminding us that even the smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds. Asteroid.
write you a letter. When I turn the page, I'd have the courage. Yeah.